People like to improve their academic life in America. People like to improve their social life in America. People like to improve their economical life in America. People like to improve their social and every kind of freedom, enjoyment they like to avail. Why people love to come in America? Because of their future, their children's future. They are working hard in America. They are improving their skill and getting education, their children's education, their medicals and political freedom and basic rights freedom and every kind of privilege they want to enjoy. They want to enjoy their entitlements. They want to enjoy their basic life. So people love to come in America.